Everybody, welcome to my second webinar about our viewneo enterprise solution. My name is Tobi and I'm very happy that so many people want to watch my webinar today. And upfront, I would like to give you some information about this webinar today. My colleagues Pascal and Sebastian will be in the chat to answer all your questions during the webinar. And also after the webinar, we will answer all your remaining questions also live. And now I would like to start to share you my screen with my short presentation. And about the webinar. Within the next 15 to 20 minutes, I will tell you about the main use cases, what kind of benefits an enterprise user can expect from our enterprise solution. Then I will show you the main features very shortly, and I will teach you about our white label solution. Afterwards, I will go into our content management system and show you in a live demonstration the main features of the enterprise solution. And finally, I will show you our pricing system and will answer all your upcoming questions. So now I would like to start directly with the first use case. The enterprise solution was mainly developed for the following cases, but for sure there can be more than this. And by using our enterprise solution, basically there might be two main use cases. One use case can be, as you can see here, as a reseller who provides the full solution to one or two different business, either in the viewneo brand or in the custom brand of the reseller. And in this case, the enterprise user can add very simple professional accounts for the clients, can set up and manage the licenses for the clients at every time, and very simple. Another use case can be, for example, within a company. I selected, for example, a franchise company who have many franchisees, each with an own professional account. And the head office is able to set up professional accounts for the franchisees. More than this, the head office can share predefined contents, playlists, or any other information directly through the enterprise account. And the franchisees user then can have access to all shared contents, playlists, and the information very easily. Sorry, I heard that the screen is not shared. I will check now if you can see. I heard that my screen was not shared. So I think there's a technical problem which we need to solve right now. So anyway, I will directly share you with my screen again. I hope that you can see this one. If they still remain black, I would like to get some information in the chat right now. So I will double check. So now you can see, I guess, my presentation again. So here we go again. I guess we are online now. Okay, so I would like to go back to my presentation. And I would like to go to the beginning, and yes, would like to inform on the content of my webinar. First, I would like to go to the use cases. As I already told you, there might be two main use cases. The first use case can be a reseller who provides a full solution to one or two different business, either in the viewneo brand or in the reseller custom brand. In this case, the enterprise user can add the professional accounts for the clients, the user can manage the licenses for the clients, very simple. And another use case can be like a franchise company who have many franchisees, and the franchisee or the head office is able to set up also the professional accounts for the franchisees, can share predefined contents, playlist, or any other information directly through the enterprise account. Okay, I heard that there's a problem with the full screen. If I send my screen, there might be a problem with the internet currently. So therefore we will do it like this directly. So without doing the full screen option. So I hope that you can see my screen in a few seconds again. I need to check with my colleague. Okay, there's any technical problems at the moment. So now you can see my screen again. So we will I will not do it full screen. So apologize for that one. So yes, Andreas, I can read your message that I need to make the presentation with the full screen, but if I do so, you will see a black screen. I'm not sure why you only see a black screen. Exactly, Andreas. So for translation, everybody, Andreas is asking to do the presentation without full screen, so we keep it like it's now. So I already talked about the use cases, and the next point would be the benefits for the enterprise user. So first of all, the main benefit for the enterprise user is that the user will get a ready-to-use solution, which is already developed, and this solution is very easy and convenient, of course. We are offering the white label option so that everybody can change the system and their brand design. And we are offering also individual packages like the licensees. We are starting within the enterprise solution at 100 licensees. So from this point you can individually upgrade the licensees or the number of professional accounts at every time. And first of all, or more than this, we have less investments, so you don't need any kind of developers or designers who need to work on the solution, because the enterprise user will get support every time from the viewneo team. And the most important point is also that we are offering very, very good prices, so that also the reseller will get better prices, so that the reseller is also competitive on the market. So here are some words about our managing tool, the main features of the enterprise solution. Well, the first point is that the enterprise user can add professional accounts, so that the clients can log in directly into the professional accounts and can manage their own digital signing system. And the enterprise user can add the licensees, as I already told you. The enterprise user can set up playlists predefined and can share it directly with the client's professional accounts. Content sharing is very easily. We can share folders with predefined content also with the clients directly, and everything is only in one dashboard. Sorry. So what does it mean to get a white label solution from viewneo? So first of all, you will get the whole content management system white labeled. You will get your own web URL for login, so that your clients will see also your custom login field. The whole email communication will be branded in the reseller's design, and also the hardware, including the application, will be offered white labeled. So now I would like to go directly into the live demonstration to show you the main features of our enterprise solution, how to use the white labeling option, how to change the colors, how to change the logo, and also how to manage the professional accounts for your clients. So now I will share you directly without full screen, because I would be ensure that you will get not a black screen. So yeah, as you can see, you are directly I'm directly logged into our content management system, and well, you can see the main features. The first point is the user manual, the user management. Here you can add unlimited users. You can give different permissions, what the user can do or what the user can't do or not allowed to do. We have different languages available, and yes, this is a very simple user management. And the next point is the user, not the user management. This is a media library. I'm sorry. Here you can upload all your contents like videos, like pictures. You can add very simple websites. We have also a template designer included, so that you or your clients can set up their own content by using the template designer. Also here you have the option, in case you created a folder with content you would like to share with your clients, you can very simple tap on this folder and then you can share it with all your clients. So that means if the star is highlighted in red, all your sub accounts or your professional accounts from the clients will get this folder and will have access to the content which is inside the folder. So the next point is our playlists. With the plus symbol you can very easily set up a new playlist. I will call it test right now. And on the right side you can see now your media library, and with drag and drop you can create very easy and simple your playlist. And on each content you have more settings. For example, you can set up the duration time of each content, and also you can schedule the content according to a time schedule. Also, if you would like to set up a playlist for your clients, you can share it here. So you just need to type in the email address from the account of your client, and then your client will receive the same playlist. Also, you can give different permissions, like if the client only can read the playlist or have access to change something within the playlist. And the next point is our device management. Our devices are always in groups. So for example, if you have 10 devices in the same location, for example with the same playlist, then you can say, okay, I would like to play this playlist to a group. So all the devices within the group will have the same playlist. But also you can select each device separately and select any kind of playlist you would like to display. On the right upper corner you have more information about the app version, for example, and the next point is the timer. So you can set up a display timer for your devices. That means that you can say, okay, the device should be go on in the morning at 8 and off at 9. So you don't need to make it manually in front of the screen. We're also offering a live ticker, so you can set up it here. You can select your own live ticker by selecting the colors and your text, or you can even add an RSS feed very simply. So these are the main features very shortly of our content management system, but for you as or for potential enterprise user, the main feature is our dashboard, where you can manage your clients. But first I would like to go into the white label, where you have the general settings. So now I would like to change the viewneo brand into my own brand name. So I select the brand name, it's called CyberSign. Then I would like to enter a new logo right here. It's uploading now, and as you can see on the left upper corner, the logo already changed. Then I type again the cyber name. I change the email address, so in case you create a new professional account for your client will receive an email directly from this email address. And also I can select the email display name. I call it also CyberSign. And below colors right here for the header, for the sidebar, also for the highlight color, and well, for the link color. Now I choose the coffee one. Yeah, it's very fast right now, and as you can see, the whole content management system is already changed into my own brand design. So also your clients will have exactly these kind of colors and brand. So now I would like to go to the user management and show you how you can add professional accounts for your clients. Very simple, just create a new account right here. You just need to type in a name for that. Mostly it's a company name. I call it Advertising Media. Then I need to enter the Duper user's email address from your client right here, and here I can select the amount of licenses. So I will select 3. So the enterprise user will have 100 licenses available, and the enterprise user can decide how many licenses to provide for the client's account. And finally, we have the storage of each client's account. The maximum is 250 gigabytes. So for me it's okay. So I just need to save it. And the account is directly created, and also an email address was sent out to this email address. I can check in my email box right here. This was the wrong. So I should receive it in a few seconds. Anyway, the account was created, and also the enterprise user can have access to this client's account, and I need to create a password for that. So I need to add more. So this is now the client's account. It's similar to the enterprise account, but without dashboard and any other information from viewneo. So if I go back to the admin, I have my dashboard again as an enterprise user have, and also I can change or edit the client's account at every time. I can check the users, I can check the licenses, and also I can add the viewneo plugins for the clients directly over here. And for example, I would like to add more licenses. I can do it very simple right here. And finally, we have the last point. It's our API. Just some words to our API. That means that you basically can connect any kind of third-party software to the content management system. So now I would like to go back to my presentation to tell you something about our pricing system. So as I told you, the enterprise solution basically starts at 100 licenses, and the cost per licensee is a monthly fee of $3.5 US, and there are already 10 professional accounts included. That means that you can create 10 accounts for your clients, and each additional professional account costs $3 US per month. The white labeling fee is a one-time fee of $6,000 US, and now I have some hardware prices for you. We are offering our 4K signage box and our signage stick number 2, which will be released very soon in a few weeks. And we're also offering our player, both the stick and the box, in white label without any kind of logo. Also within the application there will be displayed no logos. And we're also offering our hardware and custom design, so you can create your own design, own packaging design, and also we can print your own logo on the hardware directly. So here's an example of a reseller who actually have 250 licensees. Each licensee is $4 per month, so it's a total monthly fee for the licensees of $1,000. This enterprise user has 25 professional accounts included, so he pays in addition for 15 professional accounts. So this is a total monthly fee for the professional accounts of $45, and the white label fee was paid in a one shot of $6,000. And also this enterprise user is using 25 white label sticks in total for $3,000. So finally I'm done with my webinar, and I will change to the live screen so that you can see me again. First of all, I would like to say sorry for the black screen. I'm not really sure why this happened, but now I'm ready to answer your remaining questions together with my colleagues. So if there are any questions open, so you are free to write it down in the chat right now. So I will check if there was some questions between the webinar which are still open, but it seems not that there are still any open questions. So we'll wait a second. So Andreas is asking, I have a couple of questions, cost per licensee after the 100 if you want to add. So the single price for a licensee remain always unchanged. So if you start with 100 licensees, the cost per licensee is $4 or €4 per month. And then you can add single licensees as you want, and each single licensee costs $4 or euros per month in addition. Okay, so I will wait on your remaining questions right now. So I will check the chat, but yeah, I get so many information about the blank screen, so I apologize for that again. So the next question from Andreas is okay, and users how much to add? So after the 10, yes. So as I told you, 10 professional accounts are included, and each additional account will cost €3 or US$ per month in addition. So there's another question. What about plugins? Do I have to buy for each sub account? Can I make my own prices? Well, by using, okay, let's do the first part. You need to purchase it for each sub account separately. That means each plugin is valid for the whole professional account. So well, if you using the white label option from Viewneo, you can create your own pricing system. So you will purchase the plugins directly through our online shop. You will get an activation key for that, and then you can enter it in the client's professional account, and then you can invoice well, whatever you want. So Harald is asking, is it possible to test the professional before buying? Yes, of course you can. So you have The first option is you can register for free and test our free version. There are basically all features included. The only part is that if you're using the free edition, that we will display any kind of commercial. But we're also offering testing period of 4 weeks for enterprise solution with a white label, with 100 licenses and well with 10 professional accounts. So you have a free testing period also of the enterprise solution for 4 weeks. Okay, so I'm waiting on your questions right now. So just some information between. After the webinar, you will get an email from us with the full presentation again, so that you can have a review again on all the points I talked in my webinar. So there's another question from Harald. Well, you can, whether you can contact me directly at tobias@viewneo.com to get a free enterprise testing period, or you can also look on our website on viewneo.com. There's a point enterprise solution, and there you can type in your name, and then you will get also testing period automatically. So, well, Andreas, yes, we can arrange a Skype call next week. That's not a problem. Just send me an email what time would fit you best, so we can schedule a meeting at Skype. So also for everybody, you're always welcome to send me any kind of meetings, so for a Skype call, so we can set it up very easily. Also, we have a sales team of 3 persons. So there's Albert and Christine, my colleagues. They are also perfect in presenting our solution. So we have enough space for you for a Skype call. So there's another question. How many languages are supported? Can I use sub-accounts with different languages? I'm not really sure about the exact number of languages, but we are supporting so many languages. And well, for each sub-account you can select a different language. I will check with my colleague if they can count the number of languages, so they can send you the number directly in the chat right now. But well, it's possible to select different languages within each account. So again, I would like to say that you can get all the information after the webinar by email again, and you're always welcome to send me an email directly to tobias@viewneo.com or even to sales@viewneo.com. Yeah. Well, I guess there are no more questions left, so I would like to say thank you for joining my webinar, and again I would like to say sorry because of the blank screen. We will check what was the problem, and for the next webinars we will solve this kind of problem. And yes, Pascal is writing the languages we are currently supporting. So again, thank you for joining my webinar, and I would be very happy if you can check out the dates on our website. And again, thank you very much for joining my webinar, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye bye.